Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. The video will show you about uh, setting way to make an Android faster. Okay. From livewire.com website. This is the many tip for your phone get faster. Okay. Why your Android is so slow? Every reason why Android is slow can be boiled down to two things: software and hardware. Okay, how to make Android faster? Few things are as frustrating as a slow phone, but don't get overwhelmed by this long list. Okay, 1. Close the app you don't need to use right now. Okay, the previously used memory will become available on the app that you want to try rely. 2. Empty trash folder. 3. Delete app you don't use. And 4. Clear up cache. 5. Stop app from running in the background. 6. Update all your app. 7. Update the Android OS. 8. Replace your app with live version. 9. Install a virus scanner. And 10. Change your wallpaper. 11. See how much memory app are using and delete our shutdown whatever makes sense for you. 12. Shorten the system animation scale. 13. The last step. Factory reset your device. Okay, this is the many tips that help your phone faster. Thank you very much for your watching. Thank you. Have a nice day.